Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura from Hippo, and today I'm going to introduce to you our KS01. Keep watching to see the unboxing. This is our KS01. Inside the box is our compact and portable karaoke speaker. It comes 2 microphones and 1 speaker. There you will also find the user manual and the charging cable. It has RGB lights, audio decoding with 5.3 Bluetooth, 360 degrees voice collection, multiple audio input modes, and also it is Type-C port built-in, 1200 microamperes battery. It means playtime 6 hours. It is really easy to use. Just turn on, light on, and ready to go. Let's text it.
Female to male. Male to female. AV voice. Warcraft sound. The magic sound has been shut down.
We also have no echo option.
Accompaniment regulation. Microphone adjustment. Reverberation regulation. Reverberation has been set to a minimum.
Hi, hello, no echo.
If you want to know more about the newest products in China, you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and also on my personal account. See you there. Bye-bye.